Welcome! If you've muted someone on X, formerly known as Twitter, and now want to hear from them again, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to unmute someone on X. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features. Next, locate the user you want to unmute. You can do this by searching for their username in the search bar, or navigating to their profile directly. Once you're on their profile page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 small dots. Tap on them to open a menu of options. From this menu, select the option that says Unmute. And just like that, the user is unmuted. You'll now be able to see their posts and updates in your feed again. It's really that simple. Whether you muted them by accident or just needed a break, this process ensures you can reconnect with their content whenever you're ready. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need a quick refresher on managing their X account. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scrolling.